Hey guys, welcome to a brand new vlog. Today's vlog I have with me Chris, man. Chris will be his first time going in a small aeroplane and he's trusting me to go with him. Yeah. You nervous?
Yeah.
Just talk a little loud onto the mic.
Alright.
Yeah, what you say?
So I'm nervous.
Nah man, you're gonna be good. Yeah, so we're gonna be heading out to Tuskegee, which will be approximately maybe 1.5 hours. No, 1.1 hours. Yeah. So I'll bring you over the Lagrange Lake so you can see the scenery of over there, man.
Okay.
Yeah. But it should be a nice, good flight. Pointing to the wind. Oh yeah.
Charlie Tango's now 3 to the west, be flying over midfield 3000 for right teardrop entry, left downwind, runway 14 Nuna.
Alright. Ready to take off. Right.
Dublin traffic, Oscar 4, shoot out from Tango, will be departing to the north, Dublin traffic.
You gonna take over now, bro?
Nah.
No? Why not? Try it.
Man.
No, try it, yo. Put your hand. Yeah, just take control. Just keep it straight and level.
I can't.
Yeah.
You gotta help me out.
You're good, man. I'll tell you when to climb or whatnot, so, but you're going good. Yeah, bro.
I can't do it, man.
No, do it.
Oh.
You could fly the plane, bro. Just pull back on the stick, push back on the stick a little bit. Yeah, pull it up a little bit. Yeah. Just take your time because, you know. Alright. You can push it down a little bit now so you can see in front of you. Alright.
Man.
You
gotta
good,
do this stuff.
How you mean?
Oh, man. I don't like how this feel right now.
How you mean? Take control, bro. You gotta take control. You gotta learn how to fly the plane.
I never did this before.
You ready?
No,
Alright, I'll hold it with you. Lagrange traffic, Cessna 840 X-ray Juliet is approximately 8 miles to the east of the field, transitioning to the southwest of the field. Lagrange traffic currently at 4,500. Tuskegee traffic, Cessna 840 X-ray Juliet is on the 45 for the left downwind for runway 13. Tuskegee traffic.
1950 Zulu. Wind 230 at 07. Visibility 10.
Flaps to 10. Tuskegee traffic, Cessna 840 X-ray Juliet is turning left base for runway 13. Tuskegee traffic. Tuskegee traffic, Cessna 840 X-ray Juliet is turning final for runway 14. Tuskegee traffic.
You follow traffic, 351H725 for north for overflight runway 18 at you follow traffic.
Crosswind. Got it landed, but nice and slow. Huh?
There you go.
Nice and slow, bad.
I was gonna be like Grand Theft Auto. You
Bounce. Nah, I go and wait it slower. The short film off. Faster. Short film off. So we use all available doing something called a steep turn.
Oh.
Alright, so let me show you how we do it. It's the Lagrange traffic, Cessna 840 X-ray Juliet is maneuvering 12 miles to the southwest of the field. Lagrange traffic. Alright, watch it.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Cessna 525, 7 to the southwest, over Kia, 30,000 feet, Lagrange.
Roll over to the next cyclist.
Oh,
Steep turn, boy. That's what you call a steep turn. You feel it, G's?
hell yeah. How you don't feel that, Tyler?
Because I get used to it already.
Oh, man.
Watch down. See, and I stay at my altitude.
Yeah.
Roll out.
Oh, shit.
Let's go over there. Roll back. You did good, man. You wanna see an emergency descent?
Hell no.